Yes, it is possible to use 4 graphics cards to run 4 screens. Each graphics card can be connected to a separate monitor, allowing you to use all 4 screens independently or as an extended desktop. However, it is important to ensure that your computer's power supply and cooling system are capable of handling the additional power consumption and heat generated by 4 graphics cards. Additionally, your computer's motherboard and operating system must also support multiple graphics cards. A PC running 4 screens can have a variety of uses, depending on the specific needs of the user. Here are some common examples. Multitasking. With 4 screens, you can have multiple applications running simultaneously and easily switch between them. For example, you can have a spreadsheet on one screen, email on another, web browsing on a third, and video conferencing on the fourth. Gaming. Some gamers use multiple screens to increase their field of view, giving them an advantage in games that require situational awareness, such as first-person shooters or racing games. Trading. Traders often use multiple screens to monitor multiple financial instruments and markets simultaneously. Graphic design and video editing. Designers and video editors can use multiple screens to have their workspace and editing tools on separate displays, allowing them to work more efficiently. Research. Researchers, analysts, and academics may use multiple screens to have multiple documents, web pages, and data sets open at the same time, facilitating their work. Overall, a PC running 4 screens can increase productivity, enhance visual experiences, and facilitate complex tasks.